So guys, we're back for another video. Today we're going to be reacting to some scary stuff. Let's see how scary it is. Let's get into it.
This guy showed up at Sydney's house around 8:35 in the morning, and what he was holding made her blood run cold. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Oh no. That's scary as hell. What the heck?
He knocked on the door, maybe checking if anyone was home, then started searching for a spare key. After a bit, he began scoping out the house. What worried Sydney the most was that he was holding a knife, so she had to call the police. Never hide spare keys outside. It's an invitation. Always call police immediately.
Please do that, guys.
In Brooklyn, New York, these three are standing outside someone's house looking suspicious. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
I wish I could give you
Play with a young gunner.
young gunner. Yeah, I like it. I forgot his name.
I'm not Boomer and none of these people.
No, I told him, especially.
I've been doing this shit since 11.
No,
Ten.
that's a wow.
It's
Ten.
me when I
Since
tried-
11.
Yeah,
My mother.
You mean a year ago? I'm just kidding.
Hold on, let me see it. Hold on. I might look out for you too. Hold on.
Yes, you're the best.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me see how much money I got.
Because you got it. So you.
Hold on. Watch out for the fact, cause I got a gun there.
I look that way and you do the other way.
Oh yeah, I could do it. You owe me two. No, you don't owe me for that. Come on. Oh, sweetheart,
Yes, sweetheart.
you might be
I am on
hit
Yeah?
because I only got one left.
No.
Unless you do hard rock.
Yes, I do.
Alright, take this.
Okay.
Alright, let me get the heart.
Oh.
I'm doing this on camera, you know?
Right there. I call you reason because I don't like. I like it sometimes, you know, like a bullet
Yeah,
that starts
I know.
at 12.
What is
So I don't.
But,
You
yeah,
start at what time?
Yeah,
It's just too fun.
Three people just standing there. The homeowner was pretty suspicious of them, but luckily nothing ended up happening. That's not loitering. That's making everyone nervous for no reason. Would you have confronted them or stayed inside watching?
I would've
Share
stayed
your
inside.
suspicious visitor stories.
I'm staying inside, yo. I ain't going out for nothing.
In Kansas City, Missouri, this guy was going around hitting people's doors with a bat, all caught on camera.
Don't do that.
Now look
guys.
here at this doorbell footage.
You live at?
Oh, nah. Personally, I want to take that. Personally, I am getting
He's
out
attacking
and
doors with a baseball
attacking.
bat. The neighbors were
I
really
am
concerned about his
gonna get-
behavior and all the chaos he was causing. That's not intimidation. That's property damage with witnesses.
He's a
They
Karen
called police and he
guy.
ended up getting arrested.
he
Share
gets
your
arrested.
neighborhood chaos stories. This doorbell camera caught some kids rolling up for trick-or-treating, and their efficiency is honestly impressive. Now look here at this Halloween footage.
Never trust guy with masks, guys. If you see someone with masks, do not give them candy. Please don't. Please don't.
there by cake? You guys want cake?
Yeah.
If I was the dog, I'll beat the
Kids
big dog.
arrive ready. One bag for all those silent faces. That's not trick-or-treating. That's candy collection optimized. That's one way to do Halloween efficiently. Share your Halloween doorbell moments. In Kalamazoo, Michigan, this guy decided to knock on someone's door at night. But the homeowner wasn't exactly welcoming. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Yo! Get out my yard, please. Get out my...
He's knocking late at night. That's not a friendly visit. That's suspicious behavior caught on camera. What do you think he was up to? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This garage thief is sneaking around, clearly on the lookout for high-value stuff. Now look
Please
here at this
never
footage.
try this at home. Never do this again. Don't even dare try this, guys. I'll call the cops right away. I wanna blink for a second. It's a ghost, guys. Run.
They're only after the good items. That's not burglary. That's selective shopping. If you spot this guy, lock up and keep valuables tucked away. Stay vigilant.
Or kill him.
In Dallas, Texas, this guy was caught on camera snooping around someone's apartment. Now look here at this footage.
Now he's bald. Run. Run. Bald guy to the roof. To the roof. Get him out. Nah, he's recording. Nah. He's recording, chat. He's recording. Nah. Nah, not another bald guy. Oh my god, guys. Please no. Please no. Oh my god, guys.
He's messing
Is he
with
an
their
alien?
belongings.
Is he an alien,
That's
guys?
not curiosity. That's trespassing with evidence. The homeowner called police and he ended up getting arrested. Cameras catch everything. In Clarksburg, West Virginia, this guy showed up at someone's house unexpectedly. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
This guy looks like a rapper.
Can I help you?
Oh,
Hey, ma'am.
Yes.
Hey, do you guys need any work? Do you guys need any work done out here as far as on these cabinets and stuff on your table?
oh my
No, those are mine.
Okay. Hey, can I leave 50 cents on the table and get a drink out of the cooler, maybe, if you got one?
That stuff's been in the cooler forever. Can you please just get off my porch?
No, yeah, I'm off. Sorry. Good day.
What the fuck is going on?
My fucking kids.
He approaches the door. Sounds like he might have just been genuinely looking for some work. That's not a threat. That's door-to-door job hunting. Would you hire someone who shows up unannounced? Share your unexpected visitor stories.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
In Sterling, Virginia, a FedEx driver dropped off a package, but it got stolen before the homeowner could even open the door. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Oh, nah.
Who just stole it?
The thief was waiting for that exact moment, almost like he knew a package was coming. That's not opportunistic theft. That's tracking delivery notifications better than the customer. Would you chase a porch pirate or just reorder? Share your package theft stories.
I would try to get him. I would get him personally.
This creep showed up at someone's house looking around like he might be planning a future break-in. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
God, not another bald person. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Please don't tell me. Nah, guys. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Cops, where you at?
Doing?
Call the cops. Call them now. Call them now. Call them now. Get him arrested.
He's scoping out the property suspiciously. The homeowner got really concerned and called police, who decided to keep her place on watch for 2 weeks. That's not window shopping. That's casing the joint on camera. Would you have confronted him or just called cops immediately?
Call the cops.
Always report suspicious activity. This guy spent ages trying to swipe a Ring camera, but the irony defeated him. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Nah, no.
You know what, dude? Look. All right. Is it everyone this?
He looks like a teacher.
Sure, everyone.
He actually looks like a teacher.
Right there, right?
He looks like a teacher.
It's all this screwdriver.
He's trying to steal the very camera recording him, but eventually just gave up. That's not theft. That's getting outsmarted by the evidence you're creating. The homeowner filed a police report since he hung around afterward.
Absolutely.
Never underestimate camera thieves' stupidity.
That's what I just talked about.
This neighbor stopped by to borrow some eggs, but accidentally triggered the alarm and instant regret followed. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Oh, he's scared. Get him out. He's putting his hands up in the air like he did nothing. Nah.
He's just asking for eggs. Then the alarm goes off. His reaction afterward is pretty hilarious. Pure panic mode activated. That's not borrowing sugar. That's accidentally becoming a security threat. Share your alarm mishap stories. This guy was spotted breaking into cars and a garage around 4:30 a.m., all caught on camera. Now look here at this security footage.
Oh, nah, not from there.
Come on. Don't be blaming me.
He was also seen trying other car doors up and down the street. One neighbor ended up chasing him off, but eventually lost track. Police were called and the incident was reported, but he still got away. That's not stealth. That's hitting every car until someone notices. Would you have chased him or just called cops? Always lock your cars.
Please do, chat. Please lock your cars.
This guy showed up at someone's door while the homeowner was out and started peeking through windows. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
What is this guy doing?
He's checking every window. The homeowner said they have no idea who this guy is. That's not curiosity. That's trespassing. Would you have confronted him remotely through the doorbell? Always enable
I would.
motion alerts.
I would say, what do you want and get out?
This guy got into an unlocked car and took something, like he knew exactly what he was
Guys,
after.
never leave
Now look
the
here at this security
car
footage.
unlocked. Never do that. There's a car right there.
He's rifling through an unlocked car. Not sure what he stole, but it seems like he knew the car was unlocked and exactly what he was targeting. That's not random theft. That's premeditated car shopping. Would you lock your car now or keep gambling? Always lock your car doors.
I would lock my car. That's not even that.
These two guys tried breaking into someone's car at night, but basic security stopped them cold. Now look here at this security footage.
Now that's security footage. That is how.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
That is how it works.
They're trying every trick to get in, but couldn't get in. That's not a heist. That's getting defeated by a lock button. Luckily, the homeowner has a habit of locking their car right away, which definitely saved them from a loss. Always lock your cars.
Please do, chat. Please lock.
In Linwood, California, this guy was wandering around the neighborhood checking out people's tools and bikes. Now look here at this security footage. He's trespassing.
Nah, slider. Nah, that's different. Nah, that's different, chat. If you see somebody with slides at night, and he's in your house, or near your house, please call the cops. That's trouble. That is trouble right now, right there. Especially with all black out now. Run. Call the cops now. Please. Please, please. Not possible.
He kept at it for a while until a neighbor confronted him and then he took off. That's not window shopping. That's casing the neighborhood. Would you have confronted him or called cops? Stay vigilant. A homeowner chatted with a construction worker about work being done at her house from miles away. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Out with plastic, and I was just wanting to give you a heads up that we'll be in the yard so you'll know what's going on. Okay, thank you. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like your doorbell. That's really neat. Oh, you're doing this from your phone?
Yes, sir.
That's wild. I need to get one of those. I like that a lot. Thank you so much.
She's having a full conversation remotely. It's easy to forget how cool this technology is. You can see what's happening and talk to people even if you're miles away. That's not surveillance. That's remote home management. Would you micromanage your contractors through the doorbell or trust them? Share your remote doorbell management stories. In Louisville, Kentucky, this guy showed up at someone's place at night claiming to be a neighbor. Now look here at this doorbell footage. He's asking for help.
Nobody knocking at the front door. I don't know who the hell it was. I just left, whoever it was. Some tall black guy. A hat.
How you doing?
Who is it?
It's Tony from next door. I'm Tony from across the street, sir. Can you hear me?
Who are you trying to find?
Excuse me?
Who?
Sorry. My name is Tony. I live across the street right here. Right across the street right here, sir. I'm your neighbor.
What are you needing?
I need help to get to the hospital. My daddy just died. I do the coverage on the paper. I'm just a paper boy, sir.
I can't leave, sir. I gotta be somewhere at 3 o'clock myself. Please.
Sir. Please, I got a car. I don't need
I can't do it. Please leave me alone. I will call the police.
Okay, do what you gotta do, but I'm sorry. Bye.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's not neighborly. That's suspicious timing. What would you do in this situation?
I'll cut
Would you
him out.
help him out or turn him away like this homeowner
Turn
did?
him away.
Share your thoughts below. A police officer stopped by Christian's home while he was at work for ring footage after neighborhood break-ins. Now look here at this positive use of doorbell cameras.
Hi, how can I help you?
Yeah, I just was going to see if at some point you would be able to review any of your ring camera footage. I had a neighbor across the street here that had a work iPad stolen out of his vehicle sometime over the nighttime hours. So didn't know if maybe you had caught anybody or, kind of creeping around this last night or anything like that. So.
Sure. I'm not 100%, but I could definitely check for you. I'm actually at work right now,
Okay.
but I can double check the footage and I can get back with you guys if you'd like.
Yeah, if you don't mind. What's your name, sir?
Christian?
Christian. If you don't mind, could you just, if you do have something, could you just call the PD's non-emergency number, 235-5451?
The officer needed evidence. Christian later shared the footage with the police department, and it ended up helping catch the perpetrators. That's not surveillance, that's community crime solving. This is why doorbell cameras matter for neighborhood safety. Always share footage with police. This person showed up at someone's place and tried entering the door code, but security won. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
I would. I would get him out. I'm like, yo, get off my cliff. Get out. Get out.
They're attempting to open the front door, but they didn't succeed.
Get out.
That's not a break-in, that's failing at digital lockpicking. Luckily for the homeowner, they didn't have to deal with any trouble. Always use strong door codes. That Monday feeling when trying to play it cool backfires, all caught on camera. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Oh, Jesus, mercy.
That's stupid.
Oh, shit.
Someone's having their moment. It's one of those embarrassing moments you wish no one saw, but of course, the doorbell camera did. That's not smooth. That's viral humiliation. Would you laugh or feel bad for them? Share your caught-on-camera fails.
So I don't really feel bad.
This guy tried breaking into someone's house in broad daylight, but his plan quickly fell apart. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
Bro. Oh.
You scared the shit out of me.
I wasn't listening.
Huh?
I wasn't listening.
What are you doing in my house?
No. Is this?
What is this? Oh, yeah, that was from my ring camera.
Oh, was it for you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I was like,
Are you good?
like the house full of it. Like, do you live here?
Yeah?
Oh. Live by
Yeah,
yourself?
please get out.
I'm sorry.
No,
I went trying
I
to.
live here
Yeah,
with
go.
my husband.
I do you. Oh, I went to the. Is this the empty one? This one right here?
It should be.
He's attempting a break-in. Getting caught red-handed has to be pretty embarrassing. That's not burglary, that's failing in HD. Hopefully he won't try this again. Daylight doesn't stop criminals.
You better not try that.
Oh. Live by
That
yourself?
is it,
I'm
guys.
sorry.
No.
Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.